The JBL Stadium BassHub is a powerful and space-saving spare tire subwoofer designed for those who want deep, punchy bass without sacrificing trunk space. It fits discreetly inside the hub of your spare tire, making it nearly invisible while delivering JBL's signature low-end performance. Featuring an 11-inch fiberglass woofer cone with a rubber surround, it provides tight, distortion-free bass even at high volumes. The subwoofer's die-cast aluminum housing ensures durability and stable low-end extension, while its 2.5-inch dual 4-ohm voice coil offers flexible wiring options for easy integration with your amplifier setup. With a power rating of 600 watts RMS and a peak of 1200 watts, this subwoofer delivers an immersive audio experience that elevates your music whether you're commuting, road tripping, or cruising around town. The high-density enclosure enhances performance in a compact form factor, making it ideal for stealthy installations. Whether you're an audio enthusiast or just someone who wants better bass without giving up cargo space, the JBL Stadium BassHub is a perfect blend of hidden design, powerful sound, and everyday practicality.